What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's time to put axles and a half shaft on the car. And as you guys know, we mentioned in the last video, one of the last videos, that we didn't have a half shaft. And I looked online, and like for the price that they were charging, it just didn't make sense to overpay for a stock one and then wait for it to come in. So I went on eBay and I found a brand spanking new one for under $100. So I bought it and we're gonna see if it actually works. Luckily I already have the half shaft bolts. I don't think this comes with any half shaft bolts. So here, let's unbox this together. Hopefully this fits. It's crazy because a couple years ago, if you didn't have one of these like used, you were paying top dollars to find one, or maybe going to the dealership and buying them new. So now it's cool that you just go on good old internet, get one brand spanking new for under $100 shipped to your door. So looks pretty much the same as OEM. This back here doesn't look the best, I would say, but it's flat, it's machined, you can tell, and it's smooth. So today, axle install among some other things, but let's get right into it. Half shaft is on, nice and tight. I didn't want to, it's aluminum block, so I don't want to stretch the anything here. So I'm gonna let that rock. Now let's do the axles. Shout out to Cousin Jerdy for coming in and helping me with the axles.
As always.
Yeah, sure. We did it off, I think I was off camera, off frame when I was doing it, but these axles were pretty rusty, and I was kind of hoping we could just run them in like that, and we learned the hard way that we cut it. They got about like a third of the way in, and then they just, like, it locked up. So we jammed it, and then I put some silicone spray on it, and then I tried to push it in again, and then the same thing happened. So we took it out. We got a wire wheel right there, and we wire wheeled both sides of this axle, the passenger side and outside of the driver's side axle. So now the axles and the half shaft is blown up. The half shaft went in without a problem. Those bolts are kind of annoying to get to, and I don't want to use a gun to them because I don't want to strip the bolt, but I don't want to strip the block. But now we're gonna get the car on the ground to go outside and do the interior, but it's raining, so we're gonna bring the wheels inside and put the wheels on the car, so we have it ready for that, and then we gotta do some stuff in the engine bay. Oh my God, this rain is cold. So we're gonna put these wheels temporarily. Here, grab it, catch it, grab it, somebody.
Oh, the tractor for 17.
Grab it, grab it. Nice catch. All right, 2 more.
You make it in the middle. I'll give you $30.
Oh no, I wasn't aiming at the center. Hold on. Last try. $30 left-handed? I'm doing this.
These are worth a lot of money in Australia. They don't really have them.
No.
Yeah.
All right. Let's put them on the car. Damn. This thing hasn't had wheels on it in a long time, since last summer. When this car rolled in here was the last time that it ever rolled. Isn't that crazy? Why isn't that crazy? Whoa! Those are fighting words. What? Those are fighting words. I just want to wait for you to tighten my lug nuts all the way before I say something. I know you might want to try to sabotage me.
Cross thread the little hell out of one.
Either cross thread or leave it loose. Since you know I am faster than you.
You're faster than me?
Yeah.
In what way?
I mean, in the only way possible.
Which is
around the track.
You're faster than me because you have more horsepower, my guy. I ran a 132 in an EF with the original with the original carbureted B series.
Yeah.
You're not faster than me.
I'm way faster than you.
Of course not.
I meant like cross-threaded. Alright guys, that's tight enough. We're literally not even gonna drive this car.
But it's hold on.
Alright. So finally back on the ground. This car is dumped. D-U-M-P-D. I think I forgot an E, but dumped. What do you think, Cousin Jordy?
It's hard to tell. I mean, it's low, but there's still a lot to do.
Yeah, I mean the interior is still there, but we still got some things to do. So I got the clutch line. I just went and bought another one because this black one's missing a fitting, and it also barely reaches here. So I have that in the car. I'm gonna grab that. We're gonna do that and then see what else we can do today. Pull this harness out, Jordy. This brake line, clutch line out. I got it. With the old, and this one has a nice, what are these bolts called? What are these bolts called?
Banjo bolts.
Banjo bolt. So you don't have to worry about it hooking up because it has a nice banjo fitting for the clutch master so that we don't gotta struggle.
This goes to that, which is broken. This is a chassis.
You ready to grab this?
What are you gonna do about this chassis one?
Grab this.
What?
Grab the clutch line. Grab it. Give it to the transmission, then tell. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Easy there, Tiger. Dang, somebody tightened the heck out of this freaking fitting. Wonder who it was. Oh my god, I just lost a clutch washer. Oh man. Can I borrow your 14 wrench, please, sir? Please, sir. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Oh. Yep.
Yo,
Alright, here we
how are you
go.
gonna bleed this clutch?
Don't worry about it. Can you pass me the another clutch washer inside that bag?
What bag?
Right by your elbow.
Oh.
Purple washer.
Still in there. Can you go?
God, why would you do that? I need one. I need one. I don't know why. This is kind of repetitive.
What is this wire for? You need a reset wiring. same situation with this V10 stuff in here?
Don't pull the clutch
You said don't pull it?
Don't.
Then let's throw it in there.
on. You run it nicely?
It's alright, it's on the way or anything. Could be around a little bit.
You could probably run it under the harness on this side, Jordan. All the way back here by the firewall, run it under the harness.
Am I 14?
Yeah, 1 second, sir. Okay. This is here. I mean, that looks pretty freaking clean now.
You have to take your head off to bleed your clutch.
Well, luckily the header's not permanently on. So we'll bleed everything next. We can't bleed anything where everything's still loose. You won't. 2 more things completely knocked off the list. Axles, half shaft, and clutch line. Everything's all everything's all ran properly. So next thing we have to do now that it's finally on the ground, which is a huge step up, we got the wheels on it, we have to wait for a good day to bring it outside so we could have enough space to go in there and tighten up the reservoir, the masters, because right now the masters, they're very loose, so we're not going to be able to bleed them if they're not really holding it, like they're just moving like that. So that'll be for the next episode when we push the car out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.